Welcome to Arizona State University's Global Freshman Academy. This video will cover the topic, Proving Trigonometric Identities, Problem Type 1. Let's do an example. Prove the identity, the quantity of 1 minus cosine x squared times cotangent x is equal to sine x times cosine x.
How do we prove an identity?
We can prove an identity with a set of trigonometric identity rules. Let's define these identity rules we will use in order to prove identities. The identities we will use in this section are the reciprocal identities, quotient identities, and Pythagorean identities. First, we will start with the left side. The objective is to make the left side look like the right side. According to Pythagorean identity, sine squared x plus cosine squared x equals 1.
The equation doesn't have sine squared x plus cosine squared x in it. How do we use this identity then?
The identity can also be written as sine squared x is equal to 1 minus cosine squared x. So 1 minus cosine squared x becomes sine squared x, and we are left with sine squared x times cotangent x. Now we need the sine squared x to become sine x, like the right-hand side. How can we do this?
We can use the quotient identity for cotangent, which is cosine x divided by sine x. Then, using algebra, we can cancel the common factor sine x.
Correct. Then we are left with sine x times cosine x, which is identical to the right-hand side of the equation.
In summary, we can use trigonometric identities that we already know to prove other trigonometric identities.
Perfect. It seems like you're ready to solve more problems proving trigonometric identities.